Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy that you all could join me for today's video. Let me just give you guys the quick details on this wig. This is their 13x6 lace frontal, which has a transparent lace. It is 14 inches and 180% density. First off, Love the hairline, love the lace. I would say it's a really nice quality lace. It's definitely a blendable lace, soft, easy to blend, easy to pluck. Hairline wasn't too crazy thick, super easy to, you know, get a decent look. Hold on, the lace is good. I don't have any complaints or issues about the lace. You guys know how I feel about lace. It can definitely make or break your wig. I always prefer, why am I doing this with my hands? I don't know. So I usually always prefer an HD or transparent lace, just because it's just, you know, it's hassle free. It's a lot more blendable. It pretty much matches any skin tone, and you don't have to worry about doing so much to try to get the lace to blend. This is definitely a 14-inch. I get it. I do love how the back has like this stack effect. Let me just put a little bump. But I do like how it has like the little stack, like the little slant going. I think this is a really nice cut bob, number one. So I do like that. So the wig has been cut really nice. I love that it's pretty much even on both sides. Sometimes you'll get a bob wig and girl, I don't know, one side will be cut too long, one side will be cut too short, so you end up having to cut the bob a little bit shorter than what you originally wanted. But anyways, so yeah, the cut on this wig is nice. Now, so the only thing is that I'm going to dispute is the 180% density. Girl, this is definitely not 180% density. 140, 150, definitely not 180. This wig is not on the full 180 side. It's your normal thickness of a bob wig, honestly. So I don't feel like this is 180% density. No lie, even though it's a bob and I feel like all bobs pretty much look the same, again, it goes back to that lace. It goes back to how that hairline looks. It goes back to where the thickness is in the hair. For me, I love when companies put thickness in their hair and not in their hairline, so it just makes it a lot more easier when it comes to the blending stage and the install stage. Let me just get up a little bit more closer so you guys can see. I need to fix that little piece real quick. Yeah, okay, so this is just a close-up, and I just use, this is just my gray away stick. I always go in with a little bit of powder right here because I don't glue my wigs down, and just adding a little bit of powder will definitely help with blending the lace. I mean, overall, this is not a bad wig. Overall, I do think this is a very nice, decent wig. I don't feel like there's anything really special. Now, with this being a transparent lace, I do wish they kind of would have gave me a pre-plucked hairline, but again, like I said, the hairline wasn't super thick, so it wasn't hard for me to go in and pluck myself. I didn't find myself having to pluck a whole lot. Nor did I feel like I had to invest hours into plucking the hairline. So I definitely think this look is perfect for the season that we are approaching, which is summer. Of course, you can never go wrong with the bob wig. I don't really have anything too much to say about this hair. Besides, I mean, it's a good quality wig. Definitely considering it has an HD lace on it, it is a good quality wig. I will make sure I leave everything below in the description bar for you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next wig video.